How's it going, Preston Outdoors fans? See if you can even see me. Welcome back to another video. I'm your host here, Ethan Preston. Another hunting video here today, and yeah, trying another field hunt. But again, just like the first day of season, it's raining, fields are wet, but we got a side-by-side today. Hopefully that makes it a little better. It's gonna be a muddy one. Elliot's the one that scouted this field yesterday, so he said there's a few ducks and a few geese out here, but we're gonna see how it's gonna work out. We got landowner permission, so yeah, we're gonna be taking the side-by-side out on it, or take the side-by-side out on the field, put a trailer on it, put the decoys on there. We're not driving out so we don't get stuck, so my face doesn't get muddy like opener like this. And yeah, so I'm getting loaded up. Abby's here. It's just myself, my brother Elliot, and my dad, and then the dog Abby. So I'll be with us today. So here we go. Oh, hold on. Why? Piece of cake, Amar. Go get them, boys. First run out to the field. Look at that little spread. Trailer. Watch the decoys. Pickups are back there. Something's gonna fall out. Trip number 1 in the books. Trailer is empty. Back for trip number 2, and it's set up decoy time. Look who is joining us. Abby's going out for a little run, huh? Hi, Abby. Yeah. All right. Turn this off. Trip number 2, out to the field. Oh, getting soaked from the tire. Get out here and dump everything off, and the grind has begun. Yo. Pick him up, good girl. Take it. He was way too close.
Yeah,
right
right
went
there
to
at the end, yeah.
Yep.
I'm shooting the awkwardest shots today.
Good girl, come here.
I was like,
Good shot. Yeah, he came right here, and I pulled up, and I pulled.
What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Well, I pulled up, and I was waiting for him to go back, and then I thought he was going to come around in front, and then he went right over top, and I was like, I can't do it because it was too late. Kill him. Stay. Take. Kill that one. I gotta take him, he says. Love it. Oh, he's coming in. He's coming in. Drop him. Yep. Take him. Kill him. Come, hand. Good girl, drop it. Drop it, good girl. No bands. No bands. Here, come. Come. Girl. Drop. Drop. All right. Dead bird. Here. Hand. Hand. Drop. Drop. Girl. Mount her. Abby. Abby.
Did you, or was it one of those flock shots? I don't
know. After I pulled the trigger once and then yours landed.
Here. Here.
Hand. Hand. Pick up that shell, would you?
This one.
Hand. Good girl. Good girl. You got a mount her set. Pretty precision driving there, Marv. You're pro?
Hey, practice makes perfect, eh?
Alrighty, that's gonna end the video. Just pulling off the pavement here, getting home. Completely soaked. Smacked a coyote on the road. Anyway, completely soaked, got a different jacket on. It really started raining. What really messed it up, guys, I'm telling you, one of these times we're gonna get it right this year. It's just been a struggle. Like, we're killing birds, don't get me wrong. We are getting birds. We got widgeon, we got green winged teal, blue winged teal, mallard. Yeah, that was it. Most widgeons I've ever shot. And I got one that I might mount. It's pretty awesome. But as for like mallards doing it dirty, as the kids say, coming in, I thought today was going to be the day, the first one. Last year got on one really good hunt, and this year not yet. Not limits, like everybody limits out 20-30 ducks dead. This is what it was forecast: rain, drizzle, and then rain, and then it was supposed to be 20 to 30 mile an hour winds out of the southeast with 40 mile an hour gusts. By the time shooting light came around, it was 5 mile an hour winds and a peak of 10 at noon. Like, the storm that came through last night just took all the winds away, and so the birds came by and they, you know, looking, and we tried calling to them, and they didn't even leave the water to really feed some birds. Basically, we intercepted birds bouncing from the roost all the way to a loafing field, and we set up in between those two in the field where they had been feeding the last couple days. But it just, the way the weather was, they weren't feeding. So hey, we shot birds and had a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, we're coming out with more hunting videos, especially waterfowl hunting, now that the season's in full swing. We'll have pheasant hunting videos hopefully in the next couple weeks when the season opens here, but we're also hopefully going to be doing some fishing. But with all this rain, everything's high, stuff is flooding, so it's going to be a little tougher to fish. But I want to thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below any thoughts that you have. And don't forget to tune in next time to Preston Outdoors.